Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you the new AI bot in your paid ad campaigns that can help you write the text for your ads. First, sign into Command. Decide if you're going to do this paid ad on your personal account or your team account. Whichever one you choose, just make sure that that account is showing right here at the top. We want to show how to do a paid ad campaign on your personal account. So our personal account is already selected at the top. So we're good to go. Then come over to your campaigns tab right here, a little megaphone. And you can come right here to your paid ads tab if you want. But to get started quickly on a paid ad, you can just come right here to your get started links and click the paid ad quick start. If you have any questions about how to get your social media platforms linked to your command and to get started with paid ads, if you haven't already, definitely check out our other class, Paid Ads and Social Post Campaigns, that will actually walk you through getting those platforms linked to command and getting ready to run your first paid ad campaign because there is a little prep work. We're assuming you've already done that. We just want to show you the AI bot that's been added into the campaigns now. And so that here we are back in our paid ad campaign section, and we'll just go ahead and click into the first ad type here to show you where this AI bot is. You would still need to fill in the applicable fields. We'll go ahead and just choose a listing so that we'll have a preview over here on the right to show you as we're working on this. We'll just randomly choose a listing here. Once we've chosen that listing, you can see the preview update on the right-hand side. The AI bot is right here on the right, Evolve AI Copywriter. So you can go ahead and choose what you actually need help with writing. Now, you could do all inputs, which means both headline and body text is what you're needing help with, or you can choose headline or just body text. Let me show you what those actually are. I'm going to minimize the AI just for a second and bring you down here to your text section. Notice that body text right here, that is going to be the text that appears above your image, your body text. Your headline is actually below your image. Right down here, you can see that it's just zero bed, zero bath for this particular ad. So you can come back to your AI bot and choose if you want help with all of it or just one or the other. We'll go ahead and choose body text for the text above the image just to demonstrate. And it's thinking. What it just did is it checked the text that was on the actual MLS listing and wrote you a little quote for your body text that you can use. Notice over here it used 185 characters of 255 allowed. And you can go ahead and read that and decide if you want it or not. You can put your cursor in it. Maybe you don't like a particular thing that it did, so you can come in and change it around if you'd like. Change punctuation, change words. You can even use your chips if you would like to be able to pull in specific information from that MLS listing itself. Like maybe you want to make sure that the city itself is pulled. So instead of having the city written out, we can delete that and choose the city chip. And that will make sure that whatever city is actually listed on the MLS listing will populate there in case it's ever updated. You also can pull in information or a chip from your My Profile, like if you want it to include your first name, last name, or even your logo or group name. Down here at the bottom, you have a regeneration button. Maybe you didn't like its first go at this, so you can choose to regenerate. If you don't like what it's populating, you can also choose the thumbs down. It will ditch that off that that summary that it created for you and will actually regenerate another one. And you are training that AI to know what you like and what you don't like. And last but not least, you can see tone. Right here, you can choose a particular tone for your summary. So maybe you want it to be a little more practical, vibrant, or emotional. We'll go ahead and choose vibrant. It's thinking, and now it actually brings you back another summary that's more in line with that particular tone. Let's say you really like this one, so you can go ahead and choose apply. It updates that text right here in your paid ad for you. I'll minimize our little AI bot so that you can see that that has automatically updated right here on your preview for your paid ad. And that's how you can use this AI bot to help. You can also access it right here within the little stars that you see under the text box. So if I wanted to now work on the headline, you can also access it by there by clicking those stars. But just notice it just updates it. It populates it right here from this circular icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. So either way will work. If you want to work on the headline, you can now click headline. It will populate something for you. You can thumbs down and regenerate if you want. Change that tone again. Let's go ahead and make it, if it'll let us, make it vibrant to match our body text and go ahead and apply if you like it. Don't forget you can also add those emojis in too if you want. And that is your new Evolve AI bot that's right here within your paid ads campaign to help you quickly generate great, captivating text on your paid ads. If you have any question at all about this or any of your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us. The email is support@scottleroymarketing.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.